What's going on, guys? It's Jake Price. We are here to try the hyped up Popeyes chicken sandwich. And as you can see, the filet, it's actually a really good size. Fills the bread really well. But now, it's for the moment of truth. I have Mardi Gras mustard on this. No pickles, no mayo. Just Mardi Gras mustard in the chicken. Moment of truth right here. This is that motherfucking slap, dog. Wow. This is that slap, motherfucker. Oh my god. Popeyes, you fucking nailed this. This is incredible. Get it while they last.